If you have quality problems in the printout and you don't know if the toner cartridge is a culprit, obviously the best method is to change the toner cartridge and see what happens. But if you don't have another toner cartridge, or you don't want to buy another one just to test if your toner cartridge is defective or not, you can use these suggestions. For start, it depends on which defect do you have. Vertical black line. Look at the drum. There should be that line over the drum surface too, in correspondence with the line in the sheet. Gray background. There should be toner on the drum surface. White lines. Check the toner roller. The toner powder should be absent in the toner roller too. It's easy to check a toner separate from the drum unit, but you could be able to check a toner roller in every toner cartridge without the need of disassembling the cartridge. The toner roller is here. Shake the toner cartridge. If the white lines disappear, at least for a few prints, probably the cartridge is low of toner. Full white or full black pages, 90% is a toner or drum unit defective. Repetitive defect on the printed sheet. Measure the distance between the defects. That distance should correspond to the circumference of one of the rollers of the toner cartridge. Toner roller, charge roller, drum. For example, if the distance between the defect is 56 mm and the circumference of the drum is 56 mm, the problem is a drum.